All right, you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another POV drive. On today's video, you guys, I got bad news for y'all. But before we get to that, we are gonna go on this little drive today. And once I get to the spot, then I will explain to you guys what's going on and share the bad news with you guys. So yeah, here we go. This time I have the mic. I will set it up so you guys can hear the exhaust a little bit more. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna set this up and we'll go from there. All right, let me set up the mic. I hope you guys can hear me pretty good. This time the noise canceling is off. Okay, all right, guys. I really hope you guys heard that. So I'm over here. Let's talk a little bit about the car and what's going on with it. Unfortunately, I have bad news about the S4 right now. The car is really starting to sound different again. I am afraid that the catalytic converters are on their way out again. This time, the car won't be down for super long. What I want to do next is just install test pipes. The reason being is because I don't want to have to keep changing catalytic converters over and over again. This is the second time that I do this to this car, and I don't want to do it anymore, guys. I'm getting sick of it. And as you guys know, you guys want to have a car for at least a year or two before anything starts to break, or 5 years even. But I get that this is a high mileage vehicle. It's a really good looking one, but it also comes with a few issues, you guys. And what I'm having to do now is just do a lot of maintenance on it. And luckily I was able to do a bunch of the work in the engine bay. What I want to do next is swap those cats for test pipes, and with that I'll get better temps for operating temps for the engine and stuff like that. So for now, you guys, I won't be doing that many car videos. The cats aren't bad right now, but they're on their way out. They're starting to sound a little rough, so I know that they're on their way out. So what I'm gonna do is swap them out. And yeah, guys, that's the update I wanted to give y'all. And hopefully, you guys, I don't have to change the tune. What I'll do is add some other goodies in there for the test pipes. If you know, you know. But yeah, guys, that's the state of the car right now. I don't want to get rid of this car right now because I just love the thing. I just love how it drives and everything else. So, but I do have to take care of it, guys, because this is my only car and I don't have any other cars. I daily drive this thing everywhere I go. I use this car for everything, so I don't want it to go kaboom on me, you guys. Let's switch locations a little bit, get her in the sun. All right, so yeah, guys, with this, I'm not saying that the car is gonna go away forever. I'm gonna try and shoot different type of content, maybe around the car, and maybe what I'll do is take it easy on the car and stop doing POV drives for a little bit. Maybe switch up the content and just make videos around fixing the car. And so that might be one of the options. Yeah, guys, so that's a little update I wanna give y'all. Let me give you this view right here. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, this car looks pretty good. So yeah, that's the quick update I wanted to give y'all. I wasn't gonna do a POV drive today because I just know what the state of the cats are. As you saw, it still sounds really good, but I do feel loss of power, which means there's a lot of pressure building in the cylinders. So with that being said, you guys, this won't be the last video, but I will be taking it easy on the car from now on until I get the test pipes, and we'll go from there, you guys. That's the only thing I will say, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, viewing, subscribing. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends. And yeah, please turn on the post notifications on so that way you guys get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. The goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers in this YouTube space, guys. So yeah, just keep watching. Thank you guys. Peace out and God bless.